Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are going to learn how to make the super easy recipe. They're going to be these chocolate chip cookies and it only has 3 ingredients. So I'm very curious to see how they're going to turn out and I'm excited to try it. So let's see how this goes. So if you guys are ready, let's get started. So for the ingredients, you're going to need 1 can of pumpkin pie, 1 box of spice cake, and chocolate chips. And that's pretty much it for your ingredients to make these cookies. So let's see how it turns out. So before we mix all of our ingredients together, let's turn on the oven to 350. In a mixing bowl, we're gonna add our cake mix. Whoops. Okay, now that we added our cake mix, we're gonna go ahead and add the 1 can of pumpkin. Now before we add the chocolate chips, we wanna mix the pumpkin and the cake mix together. We wanna make sure it's nicely incorporated. Okay, now that our cake mix and our pumpkin has been mixed together, it should look something like this. Now we can go ahead and add our chocolate chips. You can add however much you want. I'm adding 1 cup of chocolate chips to mine. And then we give this also a good mix to have the chocolate chips nicely incorporated with the cake mix. All right, so now that our cookie mix is all mixed in together, I'm gonna make little balls of dough and put them on our cooking sheet. Now in the video, she used a little ice cream scooper. I don't have an ice cream scooper, so I'm just using a spoon. Okay, here we are. You can use your fingers to shape them. That's what she did in her video, but you don't have to be perfect. So, but I do recommend, if you do want them to be little circles, more of a rounder cookie, to use one of those ice cream scoopers. And it'll be much easier than using a spoon. Now we're gonna pop these in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. And after the 12-15 minutes, we can enjoy them. All right, so the cookies are out of the oven. They smell so good. They turned out good, so let's give them a try. So just so you guys know, so far the consistency of this cookie is very spongy, which makes sense because we used cake mix. Oh wow, that is absolutely delicious. I definitely recommend this recipe. This is 10 out of 10, at least for me. If you're into pumpkin puree and spice cake and obviously chocolate chips, who doesn't love chocolate chips? But these are the perfect cookies to make during holidays like Halloween, or even for Thanksgiving. If you don't know what to bring, or you're just learning how to make something, this is the most perfect thing to take because it's so easy. It requires 3 ingredients and you just pop it in the oven. It takes, for me, it actually took 15 to 20 minutes. Again, every oven is a little bit different. So make sure that you take a little toothpick to make sure that it's fully cooked through. But just be careful because where you put the toothpick too, because I put one kind of where there was a chocolate chip, so it comes out and you're not sure if it's like thoroughly cooked or if it's the chocolate chip. So just make sure, try to get it where there's no chocolate chip to make sure that it's cooked all the way through. But delicious cookies. I'm so excited. These turned out really good. Well, that's it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was such an easy recipe to make. It was so quick. 3 ingredients, which was amazing, and these cookies turned out so good. The consistency of these cookies are very fluffy. They're also very moist, and when you add those chocolate chips, it just adds a little bit something more to that. So those chocolate chips make it taste that much better. I'm going to leave all of the ingredients that I used down below in the description box, as well as the person that I found this recipe from. So I hope you guys liked my video. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.